Alright guys, so here we are. Javon Kinlaw. Hey bro, what are your thoughts?
Shit going crazy.
Another day, another dollar to flip. My phone hot when I talk, and then there's a click. Feds pull me off the plane, went through my shit.
Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Rcsb 5.0. I just wanted to tell you guys, thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for 2,000 subscribers. This is literally unbelievable to me. Man, this is really crazy. Yeah, I just wanted to say thank you. I appreciate every single one of you. And yeah, we're gonna keep the content coming, and it's just gonna be getting better from here. So I'll leave you guys with this special little clip I made for a 2,000 subscriber special. It's a clip of some of the best moments that I've recorded in the past few months. All right, enjoy. Guys, it's your boy Rcsb 5.0 once again. In this video, well, it's gonna be a bit different. We're gonna be shooting some drone shots. Well, let me say, tomorrow we're gonna be shooting some drone shots. Today I'm gonna go help one of my friends install his mirrors on his OBS truck. He's gonna be part of the drone shots tomorrow. So yeah, let's get him squared away and let's see how those drone shots come out. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you guys for all the support, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share. All right, let's get to it. Well, my truck is filthy. Let me say. All right, we're gonna help him. We just pulled up. There's his truck, his OBS. All right, let's see what's up. Right, let's go. All right, so here's a little before. As you guys can see, it's all messed up. And boom, here's the after. Much better. Much better, I would say. Nice. Boom. So here's the end result. Mirror number 1 and mirror number 2. Damn, honestly, I do think it made a pretty good difference. All right, so we got that done. Let's call it a night for tonight. All right, so it's the next day. Wash the truck, give it a pretty quick wash. Not the best wash, but something that I was able to do in a little bit of time. But yeah, it looks better than what it did. Not dusty no more. It's pretty clean. Give it a nice little quick wash. So yeah, here she is. Ready to go get them drone shots. See how they come out. All right, this is the first time I've ever done something like this, so this is gonna be cool. This is gonna be pretty interesting. All right, let's go. Let's go do this. Shout out to Ivan for filming with the drone. All right, so that was it for today's session. We're gonna yeah. All right, we're gonna continue on throughout the days. Alright, so that was that today. He said his drone dies pretty quick, so that's why we were only able to get a little bit of shots. Plus, he's still learning. He just got it. He said it about a week ago. So yeah, he's pretty new at this. So yeah, it's a learning process for both of us for sure. So yeah, I really hope you guys were able to enjoy whatever we were able to get out of it. And yeah, I mean, that was that today. We're gonna continue filming more drone shots as the days go by. We're trying to get some road ones with a few other buddies of ours. So yeah, that should be interesting. All right, a few days later, we're gonna go back and we're gonna do some more drone shots. This time we're gonna have Luis with his OBS, and yeah. Apparently there's gonna be a semi truck too from one of my friends, Carlos. So yeah, let's see what's up. So we're heading to the spot right now. Nice, we got a nice beautiful sunset going on. So yeah, hopefully these clips come out the way I foresee them coming. So yeah. All right, so we're here. Drone, trucks. We got a semi truck over here. Badass shit. We just filmed the funniest videos ever. I cannot wait for you guys to see them. We're about to film some legendary shots right now with homeboy right here and homeboy over there. He's gonna be following us. So yeah, let's see what happens. All right. We got Optimus Prime right here. Autobots, roll out! Woo! This feels like it's straight out of a movie. Alright, we're about to make it happen right now, guys. Got the drone right there. Oh, truck's right there. Hell yeah. Say we had a successful evening of filming. I cannot wait to see how these clips turned out. I feel like some of them are pretty funny, not gonna lie. You guys are gonna They're gonna see the GTA style one. I feel like that one. I feel like that one's gonna do pretty good on TikTok. No lie. You never know. It might hit 1 million views. Sky's the limit, right? You just gotta be creative. That's all. We're back in the neighborhoods. Turned on my cutouts. It's on stealth mode. It's like I'm not even here. Nobody's even blinking an eye at me. All right, guys. So I got the content I had to get. I'm pretty happy with the way the videos were filmed. I still haven't really seen them, but you guys are gonna had already seen them whenever I do edit this video. So yeah, I'm almost at 2,000 subscribers at the time right now that I'm recording. I really appreciate all you guys' support. Thank you guys so much. It truly means the world to me. So yeah, let's hit 2,000 subscribers soon. All right, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and yeah. All right, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
What we're really here for what most people kill for. Another day, another dollar to flip. My phone hot when I talk, and then there's a click. Feds pulled me off the plane, went through my shit. This was right around the time when my mom got sick. She was strong the whole time, I just wanted to flip. I tried to feed her ice chips and rubber water on her lips. I saw the Bentley on the news, I used to ride in that car. I'm on tour, this life of a star. I'm in a small town trying to hide from the law. I ripped open the seal in the hot box. About to smoke out would be real. I made 2 EPs before DS3. Man, rest in peace to the Jack. It's been hard to sleep. How I'll go from selling blow to selling hemp water. Man, did an album with Cam, and then I woke up to a letter from Gucci Mane. Shit's a trip, bring ice and blackjack. I miss.
All right, guys, so here we are. Javon Kinlaw. Hey, bro, what are your thoughts?
Shit going crazy.